Good morning to everybody. I am Dr. Hepsi, Assistant Professor of Physics, 3V College, Virudhunagar. I am going to explain the types of filters. The four primary types of filters include low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, and band stop filter. Low pass filter. A low pass filter is a filter that passes signals with a frequency lower than a selected cutoff frequency Fc from 0 and attenuates signals with frequencies higher than the cutoff frequency. This filter is sometimes called as high cut filter or treble cut filter in audio applications. A low pass filter is the complement of a high pass filter. Circuit. A low pass filter consists of an inductor in series which allows only low frequency to pass through. This one is the circuit diagram. Here we are having a inductance in series with the capacitance. The other frequencies higher than Fc are allowed to pass through a capacitor connected across the source. It is the simplest of constant K filters. That is, XL minus XC will be equal to a constant. If the current frequency is double, XL is double and XC is half, and so their product remains a constant. The formula for L is equal to R divided by pi Fc, C equal to 1 by pi FCR, where R is the impedance of both source and load, L is the inductance, C is the capacitance, and Fc is the cutoff frequency. Higher the Q value of L and C, sharper the cutoff. Here in the first diagram, a graph is drawn between frequency and gain, and the pass band and the stop band are represented in the diagram. The frequency starting from 0 to Fc comes under pass band, and above Fc it will represent the stop band. And the second diagram represents the circuit for low pass filter, in which we are having only two components, one inductance and one capacitance. Both are connected in series. And this is the response curve of the low pass filter. Here also the same thing, that is the graph is drawn between the frequency and the gain, and the curve is shown here, and the frequency starting from 0 to Fc represent the pass band, and above this Fc it will stop the frequency. Uses. Low pass filters are used in electronic power supplies since they pass direct current but not variations of current or voltage. Low pass filters are used in voice frequency circuits which pass frequencies up to 3 kHz. They are also used between the transmitter and its antenna to prevent very high frequencies from appearing in the antenna. Second type of filter is a high pass filter. A high pass filter is an electronic circuit that passes signals with the frequency higher than a certain cutoff frequency Fc to infinity and attenuates signals with frequencies lower than the cutoff frequency. It is sometimes called a lower cut filter or bass cut filter. This is the circuit diagram for high pass filter. The first diagram shows the graph between frequency and gain. Here this diagram is just the reverse of the low pass filter. Here from the frequency starting from 0 to Fc, the when the high pass filter stops the band. So that is, it represents stop band, and the frequency above Fc represents the pass band. The second diagram shows the circuit diagram for high pass filter. Here also we are having two components, one inductance and one capacitance. But in the case of low pass filter, the inductance will be in the upper portion and the capacitance will be in the lower portion. But here the reverse case will occur. High frequencies will pass through the capacitors, whereas the low frequency will pass through the inductance. The formula for L is equal to R by 4 pi Fc and C equal to 1 by 4 pi Fc R. This diagram shows the response curve of a high pass filter. Here also we are having a graph between frequency and response. Here above this cutoff frequency Fc, it will represent the pass band. Uses. High pass filters are used in audio circuits. It is also used between a TV and its antenna to prevent a nearby powerful station from interfering with its reception. The next type is band pass filter. Unlike the low pass filter, which only passes signals of a low frequency range, or the high pass filter, which passes the signals of a high frequency range, a band pass filter passes signals within a certain band or spread of frequencies without distorting the input signal or introducing extra noise. In other words, it transmits currents of all frequencies whose values lie between the cutoff frequencies Fc1 and Fc2 and stops all frequencies lying either below Fc1 or above Fc2. The circuit for band pass filter is shown in the figure. Here both inductance and capacitance are in the upper portion and they are connected in series. This will allow the desired frequencies, and in the lower portion we are having a parallel connection of both inductance and capacitance. This will not allow the desired frequency. A filter consists of two resonant circuits, one connected in series with line and other across it. Both are tuned to the same frequency. The series resonant circuit passes currents whose frequencies are at or near its resonant frequency and blocks all those whose frequencies are outside this narrow band. However, these blocked frequencies get shunted out of the circuit by the parallel resonant circuit, which offers them very little impedance. This diagram represents the response curve of band's pass filter. Here also it represents a graph between frequency and the gain. Here the curve shows both a combination of low pass and high pass filter. That is, the frequency increases from 0 to a maximum value. Again, the maximum value remains same, constant for some time, and then again it decreases to 0. And here the pass band represents the region between F1 and F2. F1 represents the lower cutoff frequency and F2 represents the upper cutoff frequency. The last type of filter is band stop filter. A band stop filter or band rejection filter is a filter that passes most frequencies unaltered but attenuates those in a specific range to a very low levels. A band stop filter is the opposite of band pass filter. A notch filter is a band stop filter with a narrow stop band. That is, it is having high Q factor value. A band stop filter is also called band attenuation, band suppression, or band elimination filter. Circuit. The first diagram shows the graph between frequency and gain. Here the pass band represents the region between 0 to FC1 and above FC2. In between this FC1 and FC2, it represents stop band. The second diagram shows the circuit diagram for band stop filter. Here we can observe that in this diagram it is just the reverse of band pass filter, in which we are having the parallel connection of both inductance and capacitance in the upper portion and series connection of inductance and capacitance in the lower portion. But in the case of band pass filter, it will be just the reverse case. Circuit. The bandstop filter consists of two resonant circuits, one connected in series and another connected in parallel. The parallel resonant circuit stops the band of frequencies at or near its own resonant frequency but passes those lying outside this band. The frequencies blocked by parallel resonant circuit are shunted out by the series circuit, which offers them hardly any impedance because it is already tuned to them. Response curve. The response curve of band stop filter is just the reverse or opposite to that of band pass filter. Here the curve is the just inverse of the band pass filter. Here the region between 0 to F1 represents lower cutoff frequencies, and above F2 it represents upper cutoff frequencies, and between F1 and F2 it represents the band. Thank you.